Hello store owners, I hope you're doing great today. In this week video, I want to show you a nice trick to hide certain products or all products unless you are a specific customer or a customer tagged with a specific tag. What I think the best case scenario will be if maybe you want to pre-approve your customers before they can see your products, or if you want to do some sort of wholesaling where you're gonna have different products for different customers or different price for different customers. So in this case, what I want to do is hide all my products unless you are tagged with let's say with VIP in your customer account, or what I will do, I will just want to hide this product that has VAP in it from being shown. So let's see how we can do this. So first thing is to make sure we have a customer with a certain tag attached to it. So just go in your admin, go in customers, select any customer you have, or create yourself an account and just do it as a test. So make sure here in tags you give this customer, for example, the VAP tag. Make sure you save it. So now this customer will have a VAP tag attached to it. What you need to do now is go inside your team and modify the code. So go in teams here. If your admin looks different, make sure you go on sales channels, and then you select online store, and then you're gonna have your teams, because Shopify is doing some changes to admin panels right now. So click over here on the three dots, edit HTML. Let's first do some changes to the collections template, because that's where you're gonna see your products, and then we also gonna do it for the product page itself. So let's go over here, look in templates, and look for collection. Let me just see. This should be it. Collection sidebar, blah blah blah, description. Let's see if you are in the right template. Yes, we are. Okay, so we are in the right template. Let's just remove this. So what I want to do now is inspect where the products are first showing. So inspect element and go up. You see product, grid, collection, header. Okay, so let's search for this ID collection. Let's do a find. Collection, of course it's everywhere. Span, no. Okay, here. Div, grid inform, div, the ID it's collection, which is exactly what we have here. So from there, for product and collection, okay, assign product grid item. So in this case, okay, let's just assume that we don't want to show any products unless you are logged in. So what we want to do is check if you are a customer, if you have an account. So easy way to do that is just an if customer. Okay, and make sure the for you go where the for it's ending. So for the end for, and make sure you end your if. Okay, let's just save. So no products, but the issue right now is that it's showing the pages. Even on the second page it will not show the products, but still that may be a little bit annoying. So what you should do first is where you have your if customer, in the else, the no result, why is it not showing? Make sure we do the same thing for the pagination. So if customer, and this, make sure you end it also. Let's see. Okay, and now the pagination is gone. Let me just close this. Obviously what you should do is tell your visitors why they don't see a product here, because they may assume just that your website is not working. So we have here the if. Let's add an else. So if the visitor is not a customer, let's tell them why. In order to see our products, you need to be a customer. Please log in or register. Obviously here you should also link it into to their login or register page. Let's just see. If I go create an account register, account login. So login, please log in. This will be AF. Login. This and like this. Okay, and then register. The account register, and make sure you close it. Sorry, make sure you close it here. Okay, so let's save it. Let's preview. So now we have our explanation on why they don't see the products. So make sure you do this. This is really important. Just reviewing what we did is take a look wherever you're showing your products. This is where we started. So it's looking for all the products in the collection. What we wanted to do is show this only if they are a customer, so if they are logged in. If not, we show them why they're not seeing any products. And in this case we did the same thing for the pagination, because it was weird just showing the pages without any products on them. So this is for showing if you are a customer. So let's go log in and see if it actually works. Now I'm logged in. Let's go back to collection all. Let's just refresh it. and it shows. So the code is working. Let's see next how to show it only for certain customers. So now let's assume you want to show it only to certain customers, maybe customers that you approve, or in our case, we tag the customer with the tag VIP. So in that case, what we want to do is inside here our if, so we can leave if customer, or what we can do is if customer, let's add an and customer tags contains VIP. The tag here, it's case sensitive, so if I do VIP or if I do in caps, or if I do just VIP in lower cases, it will be two different tags. So make sure you're using exactly the same tag you used in your customer tags. So let's just do here save. Let's refresh. It should still be working. Okay, so I'm still seeing this. Now let's move to let's say we were to put VIP or approved. Let's do approved. So maybe you want to tag your customers with approved before they can see your products. So if we do approve, go back to refresh, I don't see it anymore because I'm not a customer tagged with approve. So in this case, maybe you will need to change your text also to go with why I'm not going through. So you can change the text here to say that you need to be a customer and approved by us. Oops. Okay, so now I will know why I'm not seeing those products. So this is the basic steps to hide all your products on the collection page. What you should do also is go in the product page. Let's go back here to VIP. So now I can see it. If I refresh here, okay, so this is my VIP. What I want to do also is block the product page. So you're gonna go in templates and look for product liquid, the wrapper, breadcrumbs. Just below the breadcrumbs, what I want to do is block all this. So easy way to use this, click on the small arrow here. It's gonna show you where this is closing. And let's go to the div here. Okay, so this div it's closing just below. So what we want to do is take exactly the same thing as we did in collection. Let's take our if customer here, and we want to include all of this, everything that is below the breadcrumb, or even you can take all the div, the wrapper here, but I will leave it just because I want to have, maybe even the breadcrumb is gonna be just easier. So just select all of this and include, put it above, and below that you're just gonna use an if. Let's click save. That's okay. That will be no issue. So let's refresh this. It should still be working. It still works. So let's go back here and change our VAP to approved. Again, I'm not tagged with approved, so right now it should disappear. Okay, so you don't see it there again, so it's working, but again, you should add your else. So let's just take it from here. Where is my else? Else. So this is my else. I'm copying everything here and then add it to products. Okay, if I hit save, you will have to play a little bit with this just so it looks better. I'm not gonna go into the style of it, but we should be playing with this. What you can do easy is just take exactly this. So take the same thing because we removed it from there. So take the same thing, just add it there, and then with a closing div, and that should do the trick. Cool. So it looks already better than before, but again, I'm not going too much to details about the style. I'm looking for functionality here. So that's working. If I don't have the tag that you want to be here, I will not be able to see the product page, and I will not be able to see the collection page. If you refresh, because the collection page, we did not change it. Collection page, we still with VAP. So let's do approve. Sorry, I don't see my keyboard. Okay, I did not save it. So if I save, refresh, I will not see the products anymore. Make sure you do the same for down below for the pagination, which was here. We did not change it with the end. You will need to add the end, so if you don't want to show all of that, but in my case I will keep it there because that's not where I'm going with it. What I want to do now is hide only one product. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this. So I'm gonna remove all of this, and basically I'm bringing it back to how it was before. If and if. Let's save. All should be okay. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to hide this specific product, the VAP one. So what I'm gonna do here, so with this one it's a little bit more trickier. What I need to do is play a little bit with the logic here and assign two variables. One that it will test if the product has a VAP tag, and one to see if the customer has the VAP tag. So let me do something like this. If so let me pause this. I'm gonna come back when it's done and I'm gonna explain it to you. Okay, so the code looks like this from here to here. First, it's looking if the product contains a VAP tag. So unless it contains a VAP tag, I assign a variable product VAP that it will be equal to false. So it doesn't contain the VAP tag. Then what I'm doing is the same thing as we did before. It's looking if we have a customer and if the customer has a tag with, it's tagged with VAP. If it's the case, I'm assigning a variable that it's customer VAP, which equals true. Then what I replaced is here in the logic, it's looking to see if my customer VAP is true or if the product VAP equals false. So if there's no tag in the product that that one of the tag is VAP, if we don't have that, it will show the product itself. Or if the customer itself that is logged in has a VAP tag assigned to it, in that case it will also show it. So that's for the code, and let me show you for the product itself. You're just gonna go in the product you want to show only to VAPs, and make sure in tag you have the VAP tag attached to that. And if we go back to our page, right now it's showing. So let me show you if I modify the tag. Don't forget, now as a customer I have the VAP tag attached to my customer account, but if I change this and save it, so I don't have VAPG in my account, I will go back and refresh it. The product will not show anymore because none of these conditions are true. So the product doesn't have the VAP tag, yes, so that's true, and I want it to be false, so it's not showing. Is customer VAP? No, because I added the tag VAPG. That's what I'm looking for. When me, I only have VAP. And if we go in the product and remove the tag, so here we can do the same thing, VAPG, which is exactly the same as removing the tag, then the product will show again. So all of this code, don't forget, there will be in the description itself. So for the product, let me just show you one last thing, which is how to hide it from the collection page. So I'm back on my collection page, and what I want to do is not show this product right here that has that it's tagged with the VAP tag. So go back in the coding, go to your collection template. We saw before that it's inside this this div where we're looking for each product in the collection. This is what's generating the grid that you see here. So what it's doing, it's looking for all the products in the collection, and it will assign a grid width, and it will include each specific product. So what we want to do is here avoid to include the product if we have the same conditions as here. So what I want to do is first, here my customer, just want to copy this, just want to copy this and put it outside of the for of the loop. Also, it's always good to comment what you're doing in the code for you for later reference, but also if somebody else plays in the code. And simple way to do that is using this comment and then end comment. And what we can do here is don't show product if VAP tag. So I'm adding this outside of the for because I don't want it to loop and do it 20 times if for each product that I have, but I do want it to check for each product if it has the tag VAP on it. So just before this, or right here, we can add this here and then copy the same if condition right here, right here, and paste it just before the include. Don't forget to close the if with an if. Okay, let's see it now. Let's just save. If I go refresh, should still okay, it's still there, and that's good. Let's go back to changing the tag that I'm looking for in the product, which should be VAP. If I refresh, it should not show anymore, but it still does, which is not good. Let me just check the code. 2 seconds. Okay, so now it's working. I had to change a little bit the code around here just to check if the product tags contains VAP, then we assign product VAP true. If not, we assign product VAP false. Then before including each product, we still have the same condition to check if the customer is VAP or if the product does not contain the VAP tag. So let me just refresh this. Right now I see the VAP product over here because I am a VAP customer. If I change the tag here for the VAP customer, then it will not show anymore. So the VAP product is gone, and I can do the same for another product. This one right here, I can assign it the VAP tag, and it will also get hidden. Let me just refresh, and it's not there anymore. So that's it for this week. I know it's a little bit long as a video, but I hope it will help some of you out there. If you have any questions, as usual, don't hesitate in the comments below. You have there my email, my Skype, Twitter, LinkedIn, everything is there. And also don't forget to subscribe. I'm releasing videos like this each week, so if you don't want to miss out on great how-to videos for your Shopify store, please subscribe and have a good day.